The confrontation followed days of protests against the demolition notice issued after the conclusion of land civil suit number 005 of 2006 between Adonge Sali and Bithum Charles, which was ruled in favor of the plaintiff Adonge Sali. After restoration of calm by police through tear gas, the locust visit continued, in which the Arua Grade 1 magistrate Hellen Amweno noted that there was a dispute suggesting that the suit land was non-existent as the eviction notice was issued to a different cell.
There was a dispute suggesting that the suit land is non-existent. Yes, this is a case that was heard by the magistrate's court, it was heard by the High Court, it was heard by the Court of Appeal, and they all confirmed the case in favor of the plaintiff, Adonge Sali. But at the end of the case, the defendants seem to be suggesting now that the court is the bailiff seeks to execute a different land from that one which was in court. This was an exercise to just conclude and enable the bailiff to be able to identify the land that the bailiff had been authorized to deliver vacant possession for the plaintiff.
Godfrey Jonah Mpigiti, the Arua City Deputy Resident City Commissioner in charge of Ayibiri Division, said the matter had dragged for too long, forcing the state to enforce the rule of law.
This matter has taken 26 years. So when it came to us, that now they want to execute, we had to come in. So the law, we don't apply it selectively. There is no one who is above the law.
Samuel Ondoma of Alaka and company advocates representing the aggrieved locals described the exercise as unjust, whereas Henry Odama of Odama and company advocates representing Adonge Sali expressed satisfaction that his client would finally get vacant possession of the land after years of delay.
First of all, the parties will be allowed to talk with their lawyers. They were only dealing with Adonge Sali. She's the one identifying the land without Bithum Charles, who is available, and she can show anything. Really, justice will demand that the LCs identify where the border of these two villages are. But the two LCs were not involved in this exercise. Only what court did was to listen to Adonge Sali. Before the exercise started, they had to throw tear gas to chase away people. Now, who are the stakeholders they were saying should be involved?
The details have been given by the magistrate already, and also the RCC summarized the facts very well.
The local council one chairpersons of Ayibiri cell in Onzivu ward and Ocholini cell in Bunyu ward, both in Ayibiri division, said the contested land is not in Ayibiri cell where the court eviction is to be implemented.
I wrote to court, I myself, the file is there, that please tell Adonye to use the address of the land which he is what? Demanding. But the person from the land from my side in Ocholini cell was given to her, she sold it.
I know the demarcations of Ayibiri and Ocholini, but the court ruling was supposed to be done in Ocholini cell, not in Ayibiri.
Joseph Odama, UBC News.